Good evening, early evening, still light out. The lighting should be better, hopefully, than last time. So what are we trying? Well, it's in the title there, hot and spicy. We're trying that baby. Scarily, what does it say? Scarily spicy, fiery, Chinese style chicken curry. And to go with it, I've tried these before and they're nice. TGI Fridays chili beef fries. It says they've got a kick to them. I can't remember them having a kick. So what you do is you cook the fries as normal, and then you heat up the chili and the cheese, which come in pouches, and then you just pour the chili over the chips or fries, and then you pour the cheese on. Help yourself, try one, see what you think. There you go. There's that. I tell you, it does smell very Chinesey, if there's such a word. Looks very nice in a bowl in there. So that's that. You shouldn't have this really, but I got one of these left, poppadom. Not going to waste it. And then I was in Aldi, and I got some of this the Buckhorn Brewery Stateside IPA. 5.5%. If you've heard of it, tried it. And this one here would be good for Halloween. Ghost Dance Chinook Pale Ale. And this one is a 5.3%. They're doing well with no glasses. So we're going to try, what should we try first? 5.5, 5.3. We'll build our way up. We'll try the Chinook Ghost Dance first. So how's the old the last week been for you? Alright? I hope so. I hope you've been having some good stuff to eat. Good carbonation. Very lager-like, but it's an IPA. Yeah, I can tell that. Citrusy. There we go. Nice. Is there grapefruit in there? Oh, that is nice. Oh, that's nice. Eyes bigger than my belly. Right, let's straight into this. Let's see if there's any heat. Chicken. It's cut quite funny. The chicken is like long strips. Well, firstly, the taste is absolutely superb. Now I'm not getting any, well, it's not scarily spicy for me. Very hot. Trying to get some sauce with the chilies and so there's I'll tell you what I'm getting. It's the taste is gorgeous. I don't think the chicken. I think the chicken is well, I don't think it's proper chicken breast. But it's a lovely taste. The heat from there is something there, but for me personally, it's like a peppery heat. You know, like if you put a lot of pepper and there's something that coats the back of your throat, that type of heat for me. Very nice, but it's not hot. Let's try some of this. So we've got mince, fries, cheese. Notice I'm posh today, using a fork. I was going to do a sunbleached with this, but it's no good, is it? There's a lot here, you know, you don't think. I doubt this, well this is, but I doubt this portion's for one person. Or maybe on one sitting on their own. Iceland are doing some fantastic stuff lately. Really good. I bought 2 of these. They didn't have them in, if you remember me saying. And thanks again to Leanne and Ant. And I forgot again the other chap. Well, you know who you are. You left me a message saying about them. Many thanks for, you know, if you ever see, like I say, if you ever see anything out and about, you think I might like it, you're not seeing me use, just let us know. So what I was going to say, yeah, lovely day. Wow, beautiful day. Been to the butcher this morning. I didn't get a Sunday joint because this week I'm having pheasant, roast pheasant. I'm making room in the freezer. You know, I've used all my homemade curries. I do Yorkshire puddings in batches of 12. I usually use 2 at a time, and there's 2 more left. So I've eaten all the curries over a period of a few weeks. And then the last 2 Yorkshire puddings tomorrow. I know it doesn't go with pheasant, but I just want the room in the freezer. So I'm going to do a roast pheasant, piece of bacon on the top, keep it nice and moist. Roast potatoes in goose fat, marrow fat peas, long stem or tender stem broccoli, and some lashentos of gravy. I'm not sure yet, marrow fat peas, or mushy peas. I'm not sure what I'll do yet. Most likely marrow fats, but we'll see. Does say lashentos of gravy. Been some dogs outside barking. These are lovely. So stunning sauce. That's the only thing with this. It's nice chicken, but I don't think it's proper breast. I can't. No. But it's not awful. It's lovely. If you don't like a lot of, well, me saying this, it's like a pepper. Wow, there's like a pepperiness on the back of your throat for me. That's the only thing I'm getting. It's not hot, he says, then choking. That was the pepperiness of the. It's lovely. It's nice. Be interesting, actually, any of you that don't like hot, if you tried it and see what you think of it. I'm still waiting for the SIM card for this, and I thought to myself, have they sent it to the wrong? So I made sure my address and things is right, and it is. So I'll have to get in contact with them, because I still use it at home for the internet. God, watching videos on that, amazing. Remember me telling you to plug, 2 things I had to buy with that. You have to buy a plug, wall plug, to charge it. Comes with a cable but no plug. That was £19 something. A proper Apple one. I don't go for anything else because they don't seem to last for me. So a proper Apple plug, 20 quid. And I thought, where do I plug my earphones? Because my earphones comes with, what have I done with them? Can't find anything in this house. Wait a minute. There's the cable. 3.5mm jack. One of them. So I had to buy that. And how much was that? £9 was it? Something. This is an Apple one. So you plug that bit into the iPhone and then you plug your earphone into that, and it's good. So that's the only thing I don't like with it, having to buy extra things to use things. I've been testing the photos on the camera. The video capabilities is outstanding. Films up to 4K. I'll never do that because it'll just eat up the memory and that sort of thing, and it just takes too long in edit. But it's got you can edit on there. It's got iMovie if you want to. But the quality, yeah. And the depth of field on it. Oh, I've asked you what's on your menu. Dependent on when you're watching this, of course. And Mrs H is on Instagram now because I've bought an iPad Pro. Well, it's a lot of money, put it that way, but she uses it a lot and it's powerful. This big, you see the picture on that. That's got about 2 lenses on it on the back, similar to this, but not as many. And she loves it, thrilled to bits. So she's on Instagram. She'll be putting photos of stuff on there, and they most likely involve flowers, garden, and cats. Maybe the odd one of me and her, hopefully. That's lovely. All combinations work. I think a good addition for me with this, I should have done actually, would have been a hot sauce just on the top. Beautiful. Yeah, so we've been having a nice day. Bought some what did I get? Oh, some pork and chive sausages from the butcher's. They're lovely. Bacon, his bacon is lovely again. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's lovely. There's no water in it, you know, and it spits out all this water sometimes from the sort of packaged type or non-butcher type. But this is good stuff. Yeah, so Sunday dinner. This is nice, this. I tell you what drew me to it was that picture. I'll have a bit of that. What was I going to tell you? Anything else happened? Have we got the... Oh yeah, signs up. That's what I was telling you. I bought 2 of these. And I noticed one Carolina Reaper curry in there, so I took that as well. So I got one of them in the freezer. This is lovely. Yeah, so it's not, when I speak for myself here, it's not, this isn't a scarily spicy or hot. The taste, you can tell it's a Chinese theme there. Very nice taste. The texture is gorgeous. The sauce. But the only sort of heat I'm getting, the more you eat, it sort of coats your mouth. This is me. It coats my mouth with what I class as a peppery heat. But it's nice, really nice. Yeah, it's quite warm. This is south facing here, so you get the heat in there. That's why it's so bright now. My chilli plant, I was looking at it earlier, and I've sort of dead-leaved it, some of the dead leaves on it. I've picked 2 chilies which I had last week, didn't I? There's 2 more on it, and I was looking closely, and there's still one stand to grow. So it must be because it's in the conservatory. And we've had some cold nights, cold, you know, frosty starts, but it's doing okay. I feed it still once a week and water it, so it's damp but not, you know, not wet, and it's working a treat for it. So I'll keep that, overwinter it like that if I can, and hopefully it'll flourish into life again. I'm not going to trim it. I was going to trim it right back, but it's still growing stuff, so I won't bother yet. Everything's cleared where the tomatoes were, so I'm going to do some more this year. More tomatoes. We've got a small corner of the garden now. We're changing, so that'll be used to grow stuff, and Mrs H as well. So it'll be good, hopefully, this year. A few extra things we've never grown before. If we can. We'll try this now. Stateside IPA, Buckhorn Brewery. This is the 5.5 in it. Similar to smell. Cheers. Not much left of this. Yeah, so busy. Birds are eating the food like hell. Also got Mrs H found it. Like a bird nesting box in Aldi, I think. So I'll put that up, ready for, because they'll be starting to nest. They might not touch it this year, but put it up into some. What's the flowers there? I forgot the name now. Some lovely flowers that overhang in the summer, and they're very there's good coverage. So the birds like that when they nest in the box in there. So they've got some protection when they're coming in and out. Hopefully we'll see something. Use it. yeah, so the verdict on that, superb taste, consistency is lovely. The chicken, they're not using proper chicken breast, I don't think. It's, you know, this stuff they use in a lot of stuff, but it's nice. As I say, the taste is nice, and it's definitely worth the money for what you pay for it. You couldn't make it for that. And the heat for me is a coating of the mouth of a pepper, like a peppery heat, but nothing hot, and certainly not scarily spicy. These are lovely, but I'm stuffed now. That's me done. Didn't even have the poppadom. Might have it with a few of them after. So, you know. Anyway, won't let it go on too much. I do go on, and I apologise for that. So I hope you're having a great weekend and staying safe and things. And as I say, the sun is shining, so all's good here. Dinner tomorrow, I've told you that. I'll see you on Paul H Films tomorrow for the shave, if you follow me on there. What else is there? A link to that channel underneath in the description, and there is also a link to Mrs H's Instagram if you want to follow her, if you're not already following her on there. So that is it. I'll leave you to it. Have a great weekend, stay safe, enjoy yourselves, have a few beers, make sure they're cold, and I'll see you in the next video, whenever that is. I'm hoping to test this phone out for something I may do in the next week or so, see how it goes. So yeah, all the best, have a great weekend, take care, over and out, baby.